Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable WhatsApp status like button option. First of all you have to do is open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Once the app is open, you can check if you have an option to like a status or not. If your option is not enabled, check first of all that if you have any update available for WhatsApp on Play Store, yes or no. If you're updated to the latest version and still couldn't have an option to like a status, then what you can do is open your WhatsApp and go to the settings. From here, swipe down until you see help. Click on help and click on help center, and then you have to click on get started. From here you have to select the option called status. From here you have to select about status, and then you have to select contact us and tell us how we can help. From here you have to you can type anything. For example, my like option on status is not enabled yet, please help me and give me the option, and click on next. And then you have to select send my question to WhatsApp support, and then you will get a confirmation message from WhatsApp support team that we are reviewing your ticket. From here it will ask you how do you want WhatsApp support to help you, and you can talk them on the chat and they will enable that option for you. And that's how to enable WhatsApp status like button option. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.